Thank you for joining us today. I'm sorry for some technical issues, but we finally resolved it, and let's start uh, our stream, our presentation of next task. I believe that you spent your previous week very productive, but yeah, we prepared for you a really cool task. So let's start. Uh, one thing before I start, that the cross check is a part of the previous task. You have 4 days till the Thursday to perform the cross-check review, and only after that, your final score will be shown, will be applied to you in the score. So let's go to the. Let's return to our coffee house. So what we have here? We start from the project description, and during this task you have to create a responsive website with 2 pages, and you can find your design in Figma. Here is a really cool design for different devices, widescreen devices, and mobile devices, and so on. Yeah, but we recommend to create your own copy of this layout, and here's a short instruction how you can do it. After this part, you can find the technical requirements for your project. So there is described technologies that you can use or cannot. So for instance, you can use CSS preprocessors, but JS frameworks are not allowed. So the next one is repository requirements. The task should be done in your own private repository. Of course, it's for ensuring that nobody can stall your work during this time when you're preparing your task. And here's a short instruction how to prepare your report for the task. When the task will be finished, you have to create a pull request from your work branch, coffee house branch, to the main branch. But please pay attention that this pull request that you have not this merge request shouldn't be merged. So it you create a pull request only for our application. So you can drop a link to for the drop link from this pull request to our application. And here is commit requirements. I believe that you're already familiar with commit requirements because it was a part of your previous task. And the same for the pull request requirements. So pull request requirements, here's instruction how to submit. You can submit, shortly you can submit your task from the your application. We have cross-check submit. And also, I think you already familiar with this process. And next, you have a pretty large list of of requirements what you have to do during this task. The maximum score is 230. All requirements, layout and functional requirements are listed here. So but anyway, if you still have problems with task evaluation with cross-check, so here is instruction, here is link to the RSchool document, how to check cross-check. And a little tips for you how to verify layout, how to work with DevTools if you still have a problem with it. And what also? Also, we have a product JSON file in this coffee shop layout. And you please feel free to use this product JSON in your application. I believe it will help you to create a cool and a really cool application. And that's it from my side for now. And let me invite our other coordinators to the stage. Hello, guys.
Hello, hello.
And now, when all our team on the stage, we want to answer your questions. Please feel free to type questions in the chat. Yeah, for now
Seems we have no questions.
Yeah, we have only 2 comments and only 20 people watching us. Not much, but yeah, we believe that a lot of people already familiar with
Just
our.
waiting. We have comment. I
We
have. I'm reading it
Yeah,
from Logic and Coffee, and I like this nickname.
not a problem. But before, while we're waiting for your questions, so we can a little chat. I mean, I try to say that a lot of people in our program already familiar with our application, with our process, and they not needed to watch us. Okay. Yeah. And the first question from Logic and Coffee. Yeah. I think that this task is for you. Yeah, coffee house. We call this task coffee house. Hi. In case, for example, someone missed styling in header, do we have to deduct the point on header or header and responsive? Look, you have to deduct points only in case we have such requirement. So that we have requirements regarding this part of the task, header or something else, and only in this case we can deduct this point. So please ensure that we have such requirement, and only after that do your continue your cross-check. Moreover, if you're not sure about this requirement, so in this case in this case the wage on the side of the student. So we have not deduct the points.
Yeah. Try to be as fair as it's possible.
Or maybe let continue with Coffee and Logic. For example, the header is not respond on small screens. I want to know this case is about to responsive point or header point. Is it about your previous task or on next one? I'm not sure. I don't remember this point.
The previous one is not about. The previous one is not about responsive. So I guess this question related to Coffee House.
Yeah, if we speak about Coffee House, in this case, we have requirement about all screen sizes.
It's about
Yeah, we have so. Yeah, cross-check. Yeah, I see. So
do we have such requirement in HTML, CSS related to responsive?
Let me see. Okay.
We have only requirement related to to put all content in the center of the
Yeah, I see only content.
We have only one point. The CV page remains horizontally centered when the browser window is resized. Observing responsive as best practices. It doesn't mean that your layout should be adaptive or so on. But in case you decrease the width of your device and the layout is not in the center, yeah, you should deduct points only for responsive part. But if the header is absolutely looks like fine, and you shouldn't deduct point for that.
Yeah, but in general, if you have such question, so yeah, let's. It will be better to give point to the student.
Or you can ask this question in the Discord. We have channel for cross-check, and there you have. You may receive the answer on this question, or just clarify with other students that you understand this option correctly.
Yeah, but the answer is clear. We already have the comment. We're glad that we're delighted that we helped you. So, what we have next? I'm not sure if it's a question, but anyway, hello. We had a time for learning the task, how to do it. No, not actually. If it's a question and you ask if you had time, my answer is that you hadn't actually, because uh, uh, because this qualifying stage is for ensuring that you already know how to do this task, not for learn. Okay.
And one more time, this course is aimed to have to verify student who has enough theory knowledge, but need to improve practical knowledge. So that's why we have no any educational materials, but we have a lot of practical tasks. And after that, after the qualifying stage, will be started the short track, the main stage, the stage 2. I don't know how to call it, but it doesn't matter. The next, you will have the short track. It's also without the materials, but in case your mentor may recommend you to get familiar with some articles or courses and so on. But our aim to help you apply your theory to some practice and to get some practice. That's all from my side.
Thank you very much, Anna. And the last comment for now, just a comment, not a question, but we really appreciate it, from Irakli. Hello, no question, just a comment. I tried to do the first assignment. I was afraid I wouldn't figure out what to do, but I got used to the format, and now I feel I really like the program's approach. Yeah, thank you very much. And we have a little time to answer your questions, because yeah, that's it from now. So you have a little time to ask us about something. So yeah.
Kind of recommendation, do not forget about breakfast, because it would be impossible to work with such amazing design.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
it's a joke.
Could you tell us more about the interview at the end of the qualifying stage? Will it be a technical interview? And is the list of questions to prepare for? Anna, could you tell something about
Okay,
interview?
yes, you will have the interview. First of all, to meet your father mentor and to help a mentor to verify your strong sides and gaps in your knowledge related to a list of questions. I guess we can create something kind of list for preparation for you if it helps you. Why not? But yes, it will be technical interview.
Maybe not list of the questions, but list of the topics.
Yeah,
You,
I mean
yeah.
list of the topics. Yep.
Yeah, because it's really depends on interviewer, some questions, some tasks. But yeah, now we have requirements regarding topics, and yeah, maybe we can do it. Thank you for the question. So guys, looks like that's it. We don't have a lot people viewing us, and looks like we already that people who want to ask us already did it. So let's wrap the session up. See you next time. Just remember that since this task is 2 weeks long, we will see you in 2 weeks. So and yeah,
13th of October.
Yeah, absolutely. So guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.
See you. Have a good week. Bye bye.